Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video is another exciting bridal makeup look, and for that I have created this gorgeous rose gold and baby pink golden half cut crease eye look and paired it with a dark pink lipstick. Wedding season is going pretty strong all across the world, so I thought of creating a bridal look for you all. Before starting, if you are new here, then hi, I am Nita. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. For that, go to your YouTube app, press that red subscribe button, also press the bell icon next to it so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video, and it is absolutely free. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. As always, I'm starting with my brows first. For that, I'm taking this Wet n Wild eyebrow pomade in the shade Espresso, and I'm just drawing the borders of my brows first, then I'll be filling them up using smaller strokes. I'm making my brows a bit darker than usual because in marriage there will be flash photography, and in flash photography your brows tend to look really lighter than usual. Now I'm just combing my brows with a spoolie. Now I'm taking this Covergirl TruBlend concealer in the shade Soft Tan, and I'm just cleaning up the borders of my brows so that my brows look well shaped and defined. I'm also applying the same concealer on my eyelids to prime my eyelids for eyeshadows that is coming up next. Now I'm just blending it out using my Real Techniques beauty sponge. I'm taking this Coty Airspun loose powder and I'm just setting my eyelid before the concealer starts to crease and move around. For my eyes, first I'm taking mulled wine from my Makeup Revolution Soph Extra Spice palette, and well, I'm just applying it slightly above my crease because I have hooded eyes. If you do not have hooded eyes, then apply the color directly onto your crease. Now from the same palette, I'm taking Enchanted, which is again a warm toned brown color, and I'm just applying it on top of the first shade. I'm going to cut my crease. For that, I want my crease to be crisp and defined. Now I'm just cutting my crease with the same concealer, and for that I am using a lip brush from Puna store. All the products that I'm using, their shades, everything, the makeup tools that I'm using, everything will be mentioned in the description bar down below, so do not forget to check that out. Now I'm taking a matte black eyeshadow from my Maybelline The Nudes palette, and I'm just applying it on my outer V area to give my outer V area a bit of depth. I'm taking mulled wine again and I'm just applying it next to the black eyeshadow. It will create a sort of gradient effect from a darker shadow to a lighter shadow. Now I'm just applying the same black eyeshadow, kind of smoked out eyeliner kind of a manner or pattern here. Now I'm taking fluorescent from my BH Cosmetics Aurora Lights palette and I'm just applying it next to mulled wine. This palette, you guys, it's so good. I got it recently and I just fell in love with this palette. Every shade is just perfect. They are so shimmery and they are very pigmented. Now I'm taking 24K, which is a beautiful shimmery golden color, and I'm just applying it on the inner part of my eyelid. And I haven't even made my brush wet or anything. It's just pure pigment and you can see it is gorgeous. Now I'm taking Enchanted and I'm just applying it on the border of my cut crease, and for that I'm using an eyeliner brush. I love doing this step whenever I'm not using any kind of glitter eyeliner on my cut crease. It just makes my cut crease look even crisp and prominent. You can see the difference here. I'm taking mulled wine again with my Wet n Wild crease brush and I'm just diffusing the borders again to create a nice gradient effect. Now from the same palette, I'm taking the first shade of the palette, which is called Kaleidoscope, I believe, and I'm just applying it on top of that golden eyeshadow because I wanted kind of pinkish hue. And I'm applying a glitter, a red glitter. This is Revlon PhotoReady Eye Art in Fuchsia Flash on top of the shade Fluorescent. And I'm just creating a wing here with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in Jet Black. Before continuing with my eye makeup, I'm going to finish my base, then I will return to my eye makeup again. And I already moisturized my face about half an hour ago. Now I'm taking this Revlon PhotoReady primer and I'm just priming my face. This primer is great. It just blurs out your imperfections. It just makes your makeup long lasting, and it is also great for photography. For color correcting, I'm taking this L.A.Girl Pro Conceal Peach and Orange color corrector and I'm mixing them both in equal quantity, and I'm applying it around my mouth, underneath my eyes to cancel out all those darkness and pigmentation. And I'm just blending it out again with the same damp beauty sponge. For my foundation, I'm going with this NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in F10, and again I'm just buffing it in using the same damp beauty sponge. Today I'm cream contouring. For that I'm using my Wet n Wild contour stick in this shade where is Walnut, and I'm just contouring the parameters of my face, like my forehead, hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, my nose. And for highlighting and concealing, I'm using the same concealer, and I'm just applying it underneath my eyes, on the center of my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, cupid bow chin, on the sides of my mouth, and just under my contour. Again, I'm just blending everything out with the same damp beauty sponge. First, I'm just blending out the concealer, then I will blending out the contour. I love this concealer. This is extremely full coverage and it does not crease. Also, it is very long lasting, and overall it just looks pretty even in person. I am in love with this concealer, and this beauty sponge is like my all-time favorite beauty sponge. If you are looking for a good drugstore beauty sponge, then totally give it a shot. Now I'm just setting my under eyes and my smile lines with the same Coty Airspun loose powder, and for that I'm using the same beauty sponge. To set my entire makeup, I'm taking this Flower Beauty Miracle Matte Universal Finishing Powder, and I'm just setting my entire makeup with it. This powder is so good. It makes your skin look smooth and airbrushed. I highly recommend you to get this powder. I'm just finishing my eye makeup. For that, first I'm tightlining my eyes with this Jordana Easy Liner in Jet Black. And now I'm taking the matte black eyeshadow and I'm just smudging out my entire lower lash line. For that, I'm using an angled brush from Pune store. I'm taking Mulled Wine again and I'm just applying it on the border of that black eyeshadow. And I'm applying the gold eyeshadow just on the inner part of my eyes. And I'm just curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Beige Cosmetics Stella Light mascara. For my falsies, I am going with these Kiss lashes in this style Brassiere. I love these lashes. These are so good. And I'm just quickly highlighting my inner corners and my brow bones with my Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. And here is the final eye look. I'm taking my Benefit Hoola bronzer and I'm just warming up my face even more. Of course, it is a bridal look, so you have to follow some extra steps, right? Now I'm taking this Anastasia blush trio in the shade Pink Passion, and I'm just mixing these two shades together and I'm just applying it on my cheeks. These blushes, they are so long lasting. If you are getting married, I will highly recommend you to use this blush. Now I'm using my current obsession. This is my Becca Champagne Pop, and I'm just hitting the high points of my face with my favorite highlighting brush at the moment. This is from Real Techniques. This is actually their setting brush, but I love using this brush for my highlighter, and you can see it is just perfect. I'm setting my entire makeup with my Morphe makeup setting spray. For my lips, of course, I need something dark and vampy, and for that I'm using this Colourpop Ultimate Liquid Lipstick in the shade More Better. Love the color, and they are extremely long lasting. And that's pretty much it. So here is the final look with all those jewelries, sari and everything, and those jewelries are from Amazon.in. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. If you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, then please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. So yeah, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care. Love you. Mwah.